welcome to Wow Galata. 18th October is the second day of Navaratri festival and this day is considered as the Brahmacharini Avatara of Goddess Durga Devi, and worshipping her today will definitely give us power and peace, and today's dress code is, color code is royal blue. So today we have planned for some beautiful activities. So come, let's go to the video.
Hey guys, welcome to Wow Galata. So நேத்தெல்லாம் ரொம்ப நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணீங்கல்ல நீங்கலாம்? இன்னைக்கு நீங்கலாம் எழுத போறீங்க.
ஆட்டாட கூப்பிட்டு எழுத சொல்றீங்களா? இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப மோசம்.
So no. Yesterday we had enjoyed a lot and today we are going to learn something. So we are going to learn these simple tricks to solve fundamental operations. So before starting the video, if you have not subscribed Wow Galata, just subscribe immediately and click on to the bell icon. Let's go into the video. So first we are going to learn Vedic maths. So Vedic maths is very simple and easy. Let's yeah. Okay. So in that we are going to learn the easiest sutra, that is Bijang Sutra. Students,
Yes ma'am.
listen. Okay. Bijang Sutra is very simple. Can you say any one number? Hello? Sir, say any one number.
Ma'am,
5 to 6. Fast.
1,
4,
3,
3, 8.
6.
Okay, enough. So students only said few numbers. We are going to find the Bijang number for this. Bijang is very simple. Sum of all the given numbers, we have to make it into single digit. That means you have to add every numbers till it come to single digit. Let's do. So let me write the steps here. 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6. Anyone can me say the answer here? 1 plus 4?
5.
5 plus 8, 5 plus 3?
8.
8 plus 8?
16.
16 plus 6?
16, 17, 18.
Okay, 22.
22.
So 22 is a single digit?
22 is a single digit.
No. Now what we should do? We have to add this to 2 plus 2?
4.
So then this number of Bijang is 4.
Junks.
Very easy, right? Let's solve another sum. Any number? First numbers?
8, 5, 4, 3.
8, 5, 4, 3,
2, 8.
2, 8. Let's solve this. Let's do now. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 20, 22, 30. So 30 is single digit? No. So 3 plus 0, 3. So 3 is the Bijang number. Now, this sum is for you. So now what you're going to do is, this sum you're going to solve Bijang Sutra and write the answer in the comments. So the question is 430256. Just copy down fast. Don't miss. So I think you all understood the Bijang Sutra, children.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Yeah. Now let's go on to this next sutra. Yeah. Second sutra is casting out nines sutra. This sutra also needs Bijang Sutra. So now number
258525.
258
5.
no 319. Yeah. This number we are going to find the casting out nines sutra here. So casting out 9, in the name only you can understand that you are going to cast out 9. That means if you find 9 here, you are going to cast it out. So 9 is there. Yeah, understood? First rule. So now, yeah. So now next rule is, if you add any two numbers, you need to get 9. Any two numbers. That is 8 plus 1, you will get 9.
Yes. Yes.
And 5 plus 3? 8. No. 5 plus 2? No. So now we are left out with 2, 5, 3. What you are gonna do? We are gonna find Bijang for this. Find Bijang and see me fast.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So 10 means 1. 1 is the Bijank and 1 is the answer for this. And now suppose if you get the answer as 0, what you are going to do? You should write 9 as the answer. If you get 0 as the answer, you have to write 9. So now let me give another question. Children, any numbers?
3, 5.
Ashit, you say.
3, 5. 9.
4, 8, 9, 0, 6. Enough, I think. So big. Okay, let's find casting out 9 for this. 9, yeah. And now, cast out any two numbers, sum of two numbers. First. 5 plus 4, 9.
3, 6 plus 3.
Yeah, super. So now we are left out with 8 and 0.
8.
So 8 plus 0,
Bijank is
8. Bijank and casting out 9 is 8. So now this question is for you. 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 7, 8. Just find out casting of 9 and write the answer in the comments. Don't miss it. Don't say the answer. Let's move on to the next sutra. This is so important and it's very easy. I think it will be useful for you. Multiplication sutra.
ஐயோ மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டம்லடா நான் இந்த சூத்திரம்
So in this 3 methods I'm gonna teach you. First is multiplication by 11. So let me take a sum here. 984 into 11. So if this side is 11, only then this sutra will apply. So this is the first. Okay. So let's find the answer for this. First rule is this first number and the last number will be as it is. First number and the last number will be as it is. So that is 4 is the first number and again Bijank that is adding. 4 plus 8.
4 plus 8 4
First.
10 11 12
Yeah, okay. 12 is the answer. Now 8 plus 9.
8
8 to the how much?
8 to Z.
Very good. Super.
And now 9 is as it is, that is last number. So now we have to make it all single digit, that is 4, 2, 1 will be carried to this side. So that is 18 and 9 as it is. And now again here you have 2 digit, we will do 4, 2, 8, 1 will be carried to this side, 10 and this is the last. So the answer is this. 984 multiplied by 11, answer is 10,824. If you want, I can check.
Wow.
So now let's do another sum in this, or let's go to next one.
we'll do another sum
Okay, let me rub. Okay, say me a question fast.
9 2 3
Why again 9?
5
No,
8
no.
3 4
5, 8, 3, 4. This is very interesting. So first number and last number as it is 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 8.
8 9 10 11
So now last number as it is, 5 as it is. So now make it into single digit, 1 will be carried, so it is 14. 4 again, this 1 will be carried, 6. I have shortened the steps, if you want I can do. So this is the answer for this question.
மேம் நீங்க வந்து ரொம்ப ஸ்பீடா போயிட்டீங்க
No. Okay, now second method is
Just explain that.
the same way. We have made it into single digit. I have shortened the methods, that's it. So the next method is, if it has 0 in the middle, then only this sutra will work. 0. So let's do, this is very easy. So 7 8s are? 7 8s are?
8 7s are, 8 7 8s are.
7 8
56.
ஐயோ sorry
So now 7 9s are?
7 9 63
This is the answer.
10 70
Now next question, this will be very tough for you.
4 5 6 5 4, 5, 6, 5, 1.
First. Same. 5 8s are 5 3s are 5 8s are
40.
5 3s are
5 3s are 50. Ready.
third one is multiplication of two digits. So that is 24 into 52. So 24 into 52. First what you are gonna do is 5 into 2, 5 into 4, 2 into 2, 2 into 4. That's it. Let me do first this steps.
Rhyming words. Rhyming words.
Okay, stop.
Schooming words.
5 2s are
10.
10, 0.
0.
Okay. 5 4s are
20.
20.
5 5 are
Then 2 2s are
4.
this is plus. You have to add this 2 plus. Okay.
8.
4. 2 4s are
8. 9.
so now you have to make it into single digit like this. Here we did that like that. 8 20 plus 4
20 plus 4 is 24.
24 and 10. 0 is not that much needed in the middle, so it is 1. This is the answer.
124.
It is not much needed. It is 0 plus 2.
Yeah, 0 plus 2. Okay.
1000.
And now next
Or
thing.
1 plus 0 can be taken as 1.
1 plus 0. Okay.
0 has a value, right?
Yeah. Another sum in that. Fourth one. That is 46 into 73. Now let's test this is faster or our school method is faster. 46 into 73. Anyone can do? Children, come. Yeah.
18. 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Okay. So, easy put no. So,
Write neatly.
0 reverse
You should write properly. Okay, right.
7 3s are 42.
7 6 are
7 6 are 42. 40.
42.
2 4. They take a lot of time.
7 4s are
7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4.
28. 28, no?
Wait.
28 plus 4.
32.
32.
So 8 5 3 3 3 3 5 8. So let's check it.
3300.
Okay, children. Let's check in this method, our method. So that is 28
28.
42. 7 6 are 42. Plus you have to add here, not slash. So 3 4s are 12. 3 6 are 18. So now let's do this. 18 as it is you have to write. 18 as it is you have to write. You have to add this 2. Simplify it.
4 plus 1 5.
54 and 28 as it is. Now you have to make it into single digit as we did. 8 1 carry 5 5 28. So now 8 5 carry 33. Same answer, but this is faster, more than this.
More than this.
So let's go on to the last sutra of today.
Ma'am, Anna, in the Vedic maths வந்து ரொம்ப sum ரொம்ப பெருசா இருக்கு.
I did all these steps. You can do within this only, see like this. So now let's do the last sutra, that is addition and subtraction. Don't rub in the hand.
Thank you, ma'am. எனக்கு addition தான் பிடிக்கும், ma'am.
So now let's do addition and subtraction sutra. This is very easy one. So let me take first addition, that is 4 2 3 6 plus
Plus
4 3 4 9.
4 3 4 9 4 3 4
Can anyone come and solve here?
Ma'am, I will start.
Yeah, in school method you have to do, okay?
9 10 11 12 13 14 15.
Wait, let me give you another sum. Another sum, let me give you it. This is very easy for you.
Huh?
Yeah. Let me only modify here. 8, 3. Start.
50.
You have to write fast.
Yeah, 15.
15. Write 5. Hold the marker properly.
3, 4,
4 plus 4, 8. Right.
8. Akka, sorry, ma'am, sorry, good girl. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11.
He's not able to reach.
4 plus 4, 8, 9.
Yeah, 9185.
9,185.
Let's solve it in the Vedic max method.
Vedic math method.
Okay, children, stop. So now, first what we should do is, we have to take the subtraction here first. See, leave out this top one, leave out the top everything. So I think let's change the number for this. Let me take, children, stop talking. 4, 8, 9, 6 plus this is same number. Okay, now see here.
You have changed the number.
Yeah, 9.
And you won't give that answer.
Yeah, nothing will happen. So now see this top number, you have to leave it. Don't take it in your mind. Now this down.
It's called added 1.
Yeah, added 1. See, you have to subtract it. Children, stop. Subtract it with this 10. This last number 9 is there, no? You have to subtract with 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Let me write it in bracket. And now this 2. Second and third number you have to subtract it with 9. So that is 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. This number let it be as it is. So now what you should do is this top numbers you are having, right? That you have to subtract with this bracket numbers. Let's do. Yeah, this remove. 6 minus 1, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. Children, be quiet. 8 minus 6 is 2. So now this last side, what we have to do is, we have to add this 2. 4 plus 4 is 8. And again add one more extra. That is called Ekadikena. In Vedic maths, we call it as Ekadikena Sutra.
Means one adding extra.
Add one more extra.
One number extra.
So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So this sum is not that. So we have got a different answer. Now let's try with subtraction.
Ma'am, adu badla school method better.
Okay, children, stop talking.
Since you are learning for the first time, you are feeling it is difficult.
Okay, let me take subtraction. That is, yeah, come and solve here. 703 minus 704 minus 187. Okay, solve one by one. Okay, you did already. Ashit, you solve. Fast. Oh, you get minus answer. It is, you can't do it. He can't do.
Borrow he can do.
Okay, do. Borrow. Subtraction. You don't know borrowing, okay. My God.
So 0 cannot give you.
Next. 7.
It will become 10. 10 ayyo.
First 0 will borrow from 7. Okay,
Then
it becomes 10.
4 will borrow from
10.
yeah. So 517 we got. Let's try in Vedic max.
Same 700.
Yeah, same number we are gonna use here. 187. This also same method as we did in addition. You have to subtract from 10s. 10 minus 7 is 3 and 9 minus 8, this number. So this is 3 digit and this is 4 digit. So last number you have to leave and do this, subtract with this. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So now here in subtraction you have to add this to addition. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 0 plus 1 is 1. And here, we have to subtract this 2. Subtract like that only. So 7 minus 1 is 6. And one more you have to minus. That is Ekanyunena Sutra. That is less 1. So 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So these two are matching. School method is also same. This is also same. Now this also you can do with decimal. See, if it is point, you will do the same method. Keep the point as it is. Like this. Same thing in decimals. So till now what sutras we did, it all was simple, easy, right? So now,
Since you have learned Vedic maths for basic level, it is
yeah.
easy.
So now you can challenging time. This is, you can challenge me anything. I can say any table. So now let me give you 3-digit table you can ask me.
So 126.
126. Okay. 126 ones are 126. 126 twos are 252. 126 threes are 378. 126 fours are 504. 126 fives are 630. 126 six are 756. 126 sevens are 882. 126 eights are 1008. 126 nines are 1144. 126 tens are 1260.
Fine, very good, nice.
So this is slow. This is more slow. Next video I'll just practice a lot and come with you to answer all the challenges. If you want any table challenge, you can give me in the comments and I'll just answer it. And
Addition can you try now?
answer it in next video. Addition I can do.
Addition.
First
18,
18,
22,
22,
16,
16,
28,
28,
63,
63,
that is.
147.
Okay, I don't know, I have not written here. Just copy the question also, whatever I tell. Okay, fine. 72,
72,
83,
83,
64,
64,
69,
69,
123,
123,
69,
69 again,
that is.
48,
4.
80.
I'll cross check later. Next. Shall I add subtraction also in between?
Okay.
Okay. 120,
120,
79,
79,
67,
67,
82,
82,
270,
270,
less, that is minus 500,
500,
add 372,
372,
that is
490,
490.
90.
Okay. So, fine.
So now this is second day Dasara special Galata. Children did not sit. I say honestly, yesterday they came to playing. No, that's why today is learning, right? They were not sitting in one place at all. Honest this is. And tomorrow Galata, if you want to watch this, like, share, comment and subscribe to Wow Galata. So let's see in tomorrow video.